Hi everyone, welcome to Antonio and April's La Vita channel.
Hi everybody, 欢迎来 La Vita channel, learning Chinese, immersing in culture, a lifelong journey. I'm so excited today. Do you know why? Because I found this. Look, can you believe it? Italy joyous, Italian ravioli. Joyous.
You know, actually, in China, we have similar food. It dates back 1,000 years ago.
1,000 years, that's extraordinary. It's called joyous. I feel this is a cultural sharing between Italy and China.
Yeah, big possibility.
And joyous,
Jiaozi.
see I self-corrected, joyous is one of my favorite foods.
Great. And today, let's do some Chinese dumplings.
包饺子.
Wonderful.
Oh, I got a wonderful. That's good. See you soon.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's start. Flour for the peel.
面粉，饺子皮，馅。Step 1. Place 300 grams of flour into the dish. Add 140 milliliters of water and 10 milliliters of oil. Add the water in parts to make a dough. Tips. The 140 milliliters of water should be half warm water and half cold water. This will make the dough easier to work. Oil can make the dough softer. Note: once the dough is finished, you need to set it aside and let it rest for half an hour. Then knead the dough a few times to make it smoother. Okay, so I'm going to do the filling. Step 2. Add seasoning according to your taste. Green onion, ginger, garlic, and warm water are used to remove the smell of the meat. Tips: add a little sugar, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon oyster sauce, 1 spoon sesame oil, a little pepper, in water, 50 grams of green onion, ginger, garlic, and 10 grams of oil. Mix in 200 grams of minced meat. Note: the amount of minced meat and the amount of condiments can be arranged according to personal taste. There is no need to strictly follow my recipe. Step 3. 80 grams of cabbage, 20 grams shiitake mushrooms are cut into small cubes and added to the meat. So the salt, if I'm correct, it helps to draw the water
Tips.
out. Is that right?
Add salt to the cabbage and let it dry for 10 minutes. Then squeeze out the water from the cabbage and add the meat filling to avoid making the meat too watery. Note: you can add different kinds of vegetables according to your taste. Step 4. After repeated kneading and pressing, the dough is divided into small pieces of equal size. Then these small pieces are rolled into dumpling wrappers. Tips: hold the edge of the dumpling wrapper with your hand. Try to make the dumpling skin thick in the middle and thin on the side. Note: 300 grams of flour can make up about 40 dumplings.
Now the peel and the filling are ready. Let's try.
Sure. Let's see if I can make a mess of this. Here we go. I've actually done this before, but...
Now, I'm absolutely not an expert at this, but I'll give it my best shot. So we go middle to middle, just like that. And pinch it. Clamp it towards the middle with thumb and forefinger of the right hand. For the middle left part, clamp it towards the middle with the thumb and forefinger of the left hand. Note, there are many ways to make dumplings.
How's that?
And if they're able to stand up, well, they are just the most beautiful.
I've surprised myself.
After all the dumplings are done, we suggest 3 ways to further cook them.
These are fantastic. So, April, we steam,
Yeah, steam 蒸饺子.
蒸饺子, and then we fry them,
煎饺,
煎饺, or we water boil,
水饺.
水饺.
Yes, The first people to use steam to cook food were Chinese centuries ago.
It's pretty amazing, centuries ago. Very, very creative. So, 蒸饺子了.
Yeah, today let's steam them.
Let's steam them. I can't wait, I'm so hungry.
Steam dumpling now.
煮饺子啦. I can't wait.
面粉、
面粉、
饺子皮、
饺子皮、
馅儿、
馅儿、
包饺子、
包饺子、
水饺、
水饺、
煎饺、
煎饺、
蒸饺。
蒸饺. And for a delicious dipping sauce, use vinegar and any spicy sauce that you would like to add. It was such a lovely meal. It was so delicious and so healthy.
And we have lots of dishes we look forward to sharing with you.
Absolutely, so stay tuned. Now look below at the information that we have for you so you can contact us anytime.
Yeah, you also can write down your feedback below, comments, and we'll get back to you.
Great. I hope you enjoyed this journey with us and we look forward to many, many more with you.
Yeah. See you next time.
See you next time.
Love you.
再见. Bye-bye.
So welcome to our next show. We look forward to seeing you, where you'll be joining me and us for a really lovely surprise.